There are over 10,000 MCP servers out there. You need about 10. These are the ones actually worth installing in 2026, tested and ranked. Welcome to AI Magic. I went through the most installed and most supported MCP servers and ranked the 10 that genuinely change how you build with AI. The ranking is based on 3 things: real-world usage, how universally they're supported, and how much work they actually save you. One note: file system and Git are the defaults everyone starts with. This list is about the power servers. Let's count down. Number 10, Brave Search. It gives any AI agent live access to the web. Real-time search results without the API key headache. It's one of the 5 most universally supported servers, and the fastest way to stop your model from guessing. Number 9, Slack. Now official, the Slack server lets Claude read channels, post messages, and summarize threads. If your team lives in Slack, this turns your AI into a real teammate. Number 8, Notion. Connect your entire knowledge base. Claude can search your docs, update pages, and pull project context. It's the bridge between your AI and everything your team has ever written down. Number 7, Sentry. Pipe your production errors straight into Claude. It reads the stack trace, finds the root cause, and proposes the fix. Debugging from your error feed without leaving your editor. Number 6, Supabase. Database, auth, and storage in one server. Claude can query tables, manage users, and run migrations in plain English. For full-stack builders, this one's a cheat code. Number 5, Stripe. The official Stripe server lets agents create payment links, check subscriptions, and pull revenue data. It's the start of AI that can actually handle your billing. Number 4, Postgres. Talk to your database in plain English. Claude writes the SQL, runs the query, and explains the result. Read-only by default, so it's safe to point at real data. Every backend developer should have this. Number 3, Context 7. This one fixes the biggest problem with AI coding: outdated documentation. Context 7 feeds your model the current docs for any library, so it stops hallucinating old APIs. For coding, it's a game changer. Number 2, Playwright. Microsoft's official browser automation server, with over 30,000 GitHub stars. Claude can click, type, and navigate real web pages. Fast and deterministic, the best way to give your agent hands on the web. And number 1, GitHub. The most universally supported server there is. Claude reads your issues, reviews pull requests, searches code across repos, and ships commits. If you install one MCP server this year, make it this one. Honorable mentions: File System, Git, Puppeteer, and Google Drive, all worth having. But those 10 are the ones that change how you work. Which one are you installing first? Drop it in the comments. Subscribe for the full Mastering MCP series. Next, we build our own server from scratch. See you in the next one.